Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. Hey, we're about to look at the 3-bedroom. It's the C3 floor plan at the Atelier. This is on the 37th floor. It's 3712, so let's walk in. You notice it's got keyless entry, electronic. You just wave your card and it gets you in. So look at this beautiful, beautiful 3-bedroom. There's so much space in this. This is a large one. We have a video of another 3-bedroom that's a little bit more cozy. This is bigger and it feels absolutely great in here. You've got a little area here that looks like, actually, it does have air conditioning, but it does have some space you could use in there too. So I kind of like seeing that. That mudroom is awesome. And then let's walk in and see this. Isn't this amazing? Wow. This is huge. Can you hear the acoustics? It is so nice because just the largeness of this apartment is amazing. Wow, look at all the things that you could do in here, have in here. It's just stunning. You can see on the top, it is a cement top. So this is it's got a bit of that loft feel, but it's so modern and such white, and the trim is so beautiful. It doesn't really feel like a loft much. It feels like, I guess, a modern loft, so it's just gorgeous. Let's look at this kitchen in detail a little bit more. Don't you love all the white? So this is a perfect island, great size. You could probably fit about 3 bar stools in there. And this just sleek, modern white cabinets are amazing, and that's quartz countertops. Just gorgeous. I love this huge farmhouse sink. Isn't this amazing? Wow, so nice, so fun. And then, hey, let's look over here. We can see gas. You're gonna be cooking with gas, so that's lovely. The appliances are Bosch. So Bosch is very, very high-end, very nice. You do have a Whirlpool microwave, and then you have a wine fridge here. So love this space. I love all of things like this. This is the fridge. You see how it was, you couldn't even tell that it was even anything other than a cabinet. It's just a built-in fridge. It's amazing. Here's the freezer. Isn't this cool? Love this. Okay, so you do have floor-to-ceiling windows in here, and it's just meant for just having a great time, getting some great views. Look at these views that you're gonna have. You're gonna be able to see, this is right at the edge of the Arts District in downtown, and that's Clyde-Warren Park. You see that just right over there, right down there? That's Clyde-Warren Park. So you can quickly walk to that. That's just like 2 minutes away, 2-3 minutes max, and you're in Clyde-Warren Park. Let's go see, this is the main master bedroom, and it's just beautiful. Look at this. It's just got so much to offer. Floor-to-ceiling windows. This whole wall pretty much is floor-to-ceiling windows. And then a lot of space to work with is in this room. You can easily have a king. You can have a king bed. You can have dressers in here, TVs, whatever you want, and you're gonna have spectacular views. We're looking in this closet. This closet is phenomenal. Wow. This is a lot of space. This is gonna check the box on space. This is one of the biggest closets I've ever seen. It's phenomenal. Even more space back there too. That's amazing. Let's go check out the bathroom. I think you're gonna love it. And wow, I'm right. This is so beautiful. Isn't it nice? It's just so sleek, so pretty. I love the outline lighted mirrors, and then the dual sinks. Very simple and elegant, understated, just beautiful. Isn't that lovely? Even the square toilet. I don't usually feature toilets, but I do love that square, innovative looking toilet. Look at this shower. It's just in the wall. It's amazing. I love this. You're gonna be able to step in. That's a rainwater spout and enjoy that. And then you have a soaking tub as well. And then you've got some fantastic views. Let's pop out on that balcony just real briefly. This is the 37th floor. So you'd have pretty spectacular views here. Isn't this amazing? So you're looking out, that's going north. You're in the very last part of downtown here, if you would, the most north part of downtown. It's the Art District. And then right down there is Clyde-Warren Park. You can literally walk there and just 2 minutes and you can be there. It's just easy. And there's also restaurants, usually food trucks along there, and then there's restaurants actually in this area over here as well. So great walkable, all sorts of stuff. There's a trolley that's going along here too, so you can hop on that trolley and go through into Uptown and enjoy that. And then you can hop on this road and you can be on 35 or the tollway or things like that to quickly get to clients, the airport, or whatever you need. Hey, so now let's go check out those other 2 bedrooms, and I want you to see it. So the other 2 bedrooms, they're separated, so the master's right over there, and then let's go look at these other bedrooms. You do have a really nice bathroom that's here. It's a bit more basic, but it's still nice, lovely, and has a great area over here for your tub, shower, things like that. And you do have washer dryer always included with a nice Whirlpool set, stackable. And then let's go into one of the bedrooms here, and it's so pretty, really love it. Now this is a little diagonal, a little bit of an angle to go in there, not much, but a little bit. And then here's the closet in here. This is not walkable, but it is wide. So that's that. This has a beam here. So this would be good to maybe have the bed there and then maybe the dresser over there. That would make a lot of sense. So now let's go to the other bedroom, and this is really nice. This is I love the windows that are in here. There's a little bit more space to work with that's straight, so you could absolutely easily have a king bed in here. The floors are so pretty. Isn't that pretty? And again, just these fantastic views ready to go for you. And then in the closet, this is what the closet looks like. It's so pretty. It's over here. So the closet's super nice. Lots more storage in this closet as well. So this is gorgeous, y'all, and it's a 3-bedroom. So much good space to work with. I love even this part. It's just kind of a good welcoming area that you have. You could put some beautiful art there and really enjoy. Hey, I want you to reach out to us at uptown101.com. What we do is we make finding your perfect apartment easy. We'll save you weeks and maybe months of search time. We'll find your perfect place. We'll remove your stress. And it's always 100% free to work with us. Reach out to us. We're at uptown101.com/search. Fill out a free search request. We'll be helping you in no time find your perfect apartment here in Dallas and in Houston. You can also reach out to me directly. I'm Grant Bynum. I'm the owner of Uptown 101. You can reach out to me at 214-492-9791 and text me anytime. Hey, talk to you soon. We've got another video or 2, so hang on and watch the other videos.